Hey gadget lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of quirky and unusual gadgets from China that you probably didn't know existed. From the bizarre to the brilliant, we've got 7 gadgets that will blow your mind. So, let's get started. Number 1. The self-stirring mug. The self-stirring mug is the epitome of convenience for beverage lovers. Imagine waking up in the morning, bleary-eyed and groggy, and all you need to do to make your coffee is press a button on your mug. This innovative gadget is designed with a built-in stirring mechanism powered by 2 AAA batteries. Inside the mug, there's a small propeller at the bottom that spins rapidly to mix your drink, whether it's coffee, hot chocolate, or a protein shake. The exterior design is sleek and modern, with an easy-to-grip handle that also houses the stirring button. It's perfect for anyone who hates the clinking of spoons or just wants to add a bit of fun to their morning routine. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply rinse it out or give it a quick wash with soapy water. Number 2. The smart trash can. The smart trash can is a game changer for maintaining a clean and hygienic home. Equipped with a motion sensor, it opens its lid automatically when it detects movement nearby, allowing you to dispose of waste without touching the can. This feature is particularly useful when your hands are full or dirty. But the smart trash can doesn't stop there. It also has a built-in sealing mechanism that ties the bag when it's full and can even replace it with a new one. This means no more wrestling with trash bags or dealing with unpleasant odors. Some models also come with deodorizing systems to keep your kitchen smelling fresh. It's an ideal gadget for those who prioritize cleanliness and convenience. Number 3. The portable smoothie maker. Healthy eating on the go has never been easier with the portable smoothie maker. This compact USB rechargeable blender allows you to make fresh smoothies, protein shakes, and even baby food wherever you are. The design is lightweight and portable, fitting easily into a gym bag or a large purse. The blender jar doubles as a travel cup with a spill-proof lid, so you can blend and drink from the same container. It's made from durable, BPA-free materials and is powered by a rechargeable battery that can be charged via USB. Whether you're at the office, gym, or traveling, you can enjoy a nutritious smoothie with just a press of a button. Cleaning is also a breeze. Just add water and a drop of soap and blend for a few seconds. Number 4. The folding electric scooter. Urban commuting has found its perfect companion in the folding electric scooter. This gadget is designed for convenience, efficiency, and eco-friendliness. It features a lightweight yet sturdy frame that can be folded down to fit in the trunk of a car, under a desk, or even in a closet. The scooter is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering a range of up to 20-30 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the model. With a top speed of around 25 km/h, it's perfect for zipping through city streets, making it an excellent alternative to cars and public transport for short distances. The handlebar-mounted display shows speed, battery level, and other essential information, while the LED headlight ensures safe riding at night. It's an ideal gadget for students, professionals, and anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Number 5. The mini washing machine. The mini washing machine is a lifesaver for those living in small spaces or frequently on the move. This compact portable device is perfect for washing small loads like socks, underwear, and t-shirts. Despite its small size, it operates much like a regular washing machine, with settings for washing, rinsing, and spinning. It's easy to use. Just add water, detergent, and your clothes, and select the appropriate cycle. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and even camping trips. Some models are hand-cranked for use without electricity, while others plug into a standard outlet. It's an eco-friendly solution that saves water and electricity compared to full-sized machines. Number 6. The automatic toothpaste dispenser. The automatic toothpaste dispenser brings a touch of futuristic convenience to your bathroom routine. This gadget attaches to your bathroom wall and dispenses a pre-measured amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush with just a push. This ensures you use the right amount of toothpaste every time, reducing waste and keeping your bathroom cleaner. The dispenser is designed to fit most standard toothpaste tubes and often includes a slot for your toothbrush, keeping it off the counter and more hygienic. Installation is simple, typically involving adhesive strips or suction cups. It's an excellent solution for families with children, as it makes brushing teeth easier and more fun. Number 7. The electric heated lunchbox. Say goodbye to cold lunches and long lines at the microwave with the electric heated lunchbox. This gadget allows you to heat your food on the go. making it perfect for office workers, students, or anyone who wants a hot meal away from home. The lunchbox is designed with a heating element at the bottom, which can be plugged into an electrical outlet or even a car adapter. It evenly heats your meal within minutes, so you can enjoy home-cooked food anytime, anywhere. The lunchbox typically features separate compartments for different foods, ensuring your meal stays organized and appetizing. Its portable design makes it easy to carry, and it's made from food-grade materials that are easy to clean.